everyone. So I wanted to make a little video just to kind of show you how to use some of these transformation tools in GeoGebra. They're super cool, but they can be confusing if you don't read the instructions carefully. So you might recognize some of the problems I'm about to show because these are the examples that were in our Ed Puzzle video. If you have not watched that yet, please stop this video, go back and watch that. That's your first lesson for this portion. All right, so here it is. It says, follow the directions below each statement to move the figure. Use vectors to show translations. A vector is a quantity that has magnitude, so that's size, and direction. It is usually represented by an arrow. So when we see an arrow, we want to think the word vector, like the bad guy from the original Despicable Me movie. Vector. If we look below this grid, we can see that the instructions are down here. So I don't want you to miss those. And it says translate triangle ABC, here it is, ABC, so that point A goes to A prime. So first, we have to select the vector tool. So we're going to find that up here and click on it until it is outlined in purple. Then we click on the original point A and then the new point A prime, and we should see a vector. We clicked on those points and there's our vector. Now we're going to select the Translate by Vector tool. That's this one right here. And we then click on the figure to translate and then click on the vector. So I say we want to translate this triangle and we want to translate it along this vector. There it is. So if you made a mistake, you can click reset. I'm going to move on and show you some more. I'm going to skip number 2. I'm going to go down here to number 3, which is about how to rotate. So you'll notice that right here it says choose the next question. Well, I skipped question 2. I'm on question 3. And it says rotate triangle ABC 90 degrees counterclockwise using center O. So you might remember this from the video, but here's how we use these tools to do that. Down below it says, first, select the rotate around a point tool. That's this one right here. Second, click on the figure to rotate. I want to click on this triangle and I want to rotate it around point O. Now it's asking about how much we want to rotate. So I'm going to type in 90 degrees and I want to make sure that I say counterclockwise because that's what the instructions said. There it is. Last, I want to show you how to use the reflection tools. So here I am on question 4, and it seems weird, but I still have to change this to get to the setup for question 4. Now I have a line labeled line L, which I can use for my line of reflection or axis of symmetry. So, step 1, select the Reflect About Line tool. Step 2, click on the figure to reflect and then click on the line of reflection. So here's my figure and there's the line and there it is reflected. So you can see point C is the same distance from the axis of symmetry as point C prime. They're just on opposite sides. Point B is the same distance as B prime, but on opposite sides. And we can even check point A. Have fun playing with the GeoGebra tools.